What's going on, guys? My name is Samir Rai. I'm from Keystone Realty, and today we're at Fallbrook in Irvine, California. One of my projects that I've been working on for a family friend of mine. They grew up in this house, and so it was never updated. So they gave me the full access and full control of my design and my construction crew. Come take a look. Got the Dutch doors here, like a beach style vibe. And the first thing you walk in, I want to make sure that the focal point is the fireplace. And I designed this from material choices. My construction crew, I pretty much got full control, saved them a lot of money. At the end of the day, I'm going to make them a lot of money in their pockets after I sell this house and list this home.